Most expensive shoes in the world. Shoes, who are generally created to guard and give comfort for human feet, has now become just one more image of luxury status. Unless we are in a shoe shop to buy them, they are pretty much away from our regular thoughts. Whether you are a shoe lover or perhaps not, collectors' releases, partnerships, and limited launches are being a point nowadays, an asset or a position mark of billionaires. Probably the most high-priced shoes on earth have their particular rightful category in the luxury market, usually sold down at auctions as opposed to at retailers. These shoes are far more than footwear. I think the most high-priced shoes require a safe to be saved in because you won't believe that they are available for only $17 million. You are watching Luxury Peak, and in today's video we are going to look at most expensive shoes in the world. So let's count down on these shoes and dive into the details of these expensive crazy shoes. Number 10. Stuart Weitzman Retro Rose Pump. Elegance, style and a design which dates back to the 1940s characterize the retro rose pumps which are crafted by the Stuart Weitzman. The 10th pair of most expensive shoes have roses of worth 100k diamonds. Additionally, the pair has 400 more K diamonds that adorn the shoes throughout. These high heel pumps are decorated with a total of 2200 diamonds. Most of them are fixed in the rose decorations at the top of the toes. You can buy these elegant pumps for only $1 million. Number 9. Stuart Weitzman Platinum Gilt Stiletto. With a cost of $1.09 million, another piece of Stuart Weitzman heels make its place in our listing of most expensive shoes in the world. This platinum gilt stiletto is embellished with 464 glowing K diamonds. Interestingly, this stiletto was worn by former Miss USA and actress Laura Herring at the red carpet of 2002 Academy Awards. While priced at $1.09 million, these shoes might not be as speculative as you think. And if you need some diamond jewelry to wear, then your problem is also solved. The straps of the shoes actually came over the shoes and can be used as a necklace. Number 8. Stuart Weitzman Ruby Slipper. Next on the list are ruby shoes, also designed by the Stuart Weitzman. These ruby shoes are more distinct and sophisticated than what you have already seen in our list. Well, I cannot assure you that by clicking these shoes 3 times can take you to your destination or home, but these shoes are really marvelous. Inspired through the movie The Wizard of Oz, all these stilettos attribute 642 Burmese rubies on the stylish reddish colored straps. These cherry red high heel sandals were displayed in the glass case at Harrods, London in 2003. These beauties are currently valued at $1.6 million. Leading them to be number 8 in our listing of the pricey shoes in the world. Let's now jump onto a little bit high price than $1 million because the next shoes are available for $2 million. Number 7. Stuart Weitzman Cinderella Slipper. These Cinderella slippers are yet another splendid article designed by none other than Stuart Weitzman. However, just like the movie, it is not made up of glass but designed with Italian leather. The straps of ankle and toe features 565k diamonds, and additionally the right slipper strap encloses a 5-carat Amaretto diamond, which by itself prices more than $1 million. The Stuart Weitzman shoe even has a clear 4-inch stiletto heel that is definitely intended to make structure with the $2 million shoe disappear, giving all of the person's concentration to the shining gems, especially in the spotlight. Well, it's a shoe truly fit for someone's Cinderella moment. Number 6. Stuart Weitzman Tanzanite Heel. Another extraordinary model from the exact famous designer is a pair of Tanzanite heel which was a result of collaboration of Stuart Weitzman with jewelry designer Eddie Lee Van. They are created from silver leather through an ankle strap that has various superb pink Tanzanite gemstones ingrained there, plus diamond jewelry encrusted close to it, placing the cost of these lavish shoes an astonishing $2 million. Number 5. Jason of Beverly Hills Tom Ford Loafers. Another pair of shoes for $2 million is diamond encrusted Tom Ford shoes, which takes 5th place in our expensive shoes list. I think you can recognize these shoes very well, and if not, then these diamond cover shoes were worn by Nick Cannon in the final episode of America's Got Talent 2014. These astonishing slippers were custom made for the TV host by Jason of Beverly Hills, an LA-based jeweler, and especially requested to be worn in the TV show. This pair of shoes has 14,000 full-cut rounded diamonds by taking 2,000 hours of labor to finish the look, giving this pair a weight of 340 carats. While this is quite a pricey piece. Reportedly, these shoes were donated by Canon to charity later on that year. Number 4. Stuart Weitzman Rita Hayworth Heel. Let's move forward with some price and take a look at $3 million shoes. To make this stunning pair of pricey shoes, Stuart Weitzman got inspired from a jewelry article that belonged to the actress Rita Hayworth, an icon of your 1940s film scene. These open-toe heels are constructed with sienna satin, a brown rust-like color, and include sapphires, diamonds, and rubies encrusted into them. The jewels created from Swarovski crystals are simply a replica of the main jewels worn by Rita. These unique inspired and especially designed Oscar shoes now belong to Hayworth's daughter, Princess Yasmin Aga Khan, and have a total worth of $3 million. Number 3. Harry Winston Ruby Slippers. Son of the Harry Winston, a famous jewelry designer, Ronald Winston, decided to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Wizard of Oz by creating another additional magnificent set of ruby slippers. For these special pair of slippers, 4,600 rubies and 50 carat expensive diamonds were used, with a total of 60 days to complete this special piece. This pair features 1,350 carats of rubies, and the result is a magnificent pair of glittering shoes that cost no less than $3 million and makes the place in the list with third most expensive shoes in the world. I think we have to jump high with the price tag. So let's take a look at $15 million shoes. Number 2. Debbie Wingham Heels. You actually believe that $3 million is too much high for some pair of shoes? Then let me introduce Debbie Wingham High Heels. He is one of the most expensive designers in the world right now, and this exclusive pair of shoes has some rarest gems found in the world, so you can think that it might justify the price of this exclusive pair. These diamonds are of blue and red color, which are encrusted inside the shoe. The diamonds are set in platinum with the plaque of the shoes made of gold. The rest of the shoes are leather painted with 24K gold and stitched with 18 karat gold thread. The heels are loaded with precious gems, including 3 carat rare pink diamonds and 1 carat blue diamonds, which alone cost over $128,000. And did you know that this pair of expensive shoes was made on some unknown customer request to give these mind-blowing shoes as a birthday gift? Whoa, a $15.1 million birthday present? Seems like somebody just became tremendously lucky. Before heading to number 1, if you are enjoying the video, make sure to smash the like button and share it with your shoe lover friends. Number 1. Passion Diamond Shoes. And if your taste bud of expensive shoes is not full yet, let me introduce the masterpiece and the most expensive shoes ever made. This marvelous heel is indulged with diamonds and real gold, costing a price of whopping $17 million. The actual Passion Diamond shoe is designed by the United Arab Emirates-based brand named Jada Dubai through collaborating with Passion Jewelers in 2018. These wonderful heels are made of tons of diamonds and fabricated from true gold. This pair of shoes has 2 carat diamonds on the upper portion of the toes, and all of the diamonds on the shoes are incredibly rare diamonds. This Passion Diamond shoe was unveiled at the world's only 7-star hotel, Burj Al Arab in Dubai. And guess what? These standard size Passion heels are made in a size requested by the lucky buyer. Woof, I think people have so much money to spend on shoes. While here, I think twice while buying a $50 pair of shoes. And that's it for today's video of most expensive shoes. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more expensive videos like this. And if you have any video idea, Leave it in the comments below. I'll surely consider it. Bye bye.